There was once a conflict between body components. Together, they battled the stomach. Nothing is done by you. You take everything for yourself if we work and send food, though. Do we need to put in a lot of effort so that you can relax without working by yourself? They clashed violently, claiming this was unfair. They reached a decision in the end. No food is delivered to the stomach. I'm done taking food, said the hand. I won't carry it in my mouth, the fingers declared. I won't chew, said the teeth. I'm not going to swallow, said the throat. Each individual made a choice and they were delighted by it. Now let's see what this stomach does next. But what ultimately happened? The body had lost strength. The throat became blocked, the mouth became dry, the arms and legs were immobile, etc. They were on the verge of dying, and at that point they realized, only when we support one another do we grow together. The entire universe serves a function. Work on the abdomen is not done by hand, and the throat does not perform the task of the hands, etc. And everyone has a responsibility. Furthermore, no one is born without reason. Find what brings us joy and pursue it.